Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to cancel Trello subscription. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to cancel the subscription in Trello, you just simply have to open your Trello application at first, and after opening the Trello application, tap into these three bars into the top left, and from there go to settings and scroll down and go to contact support option, and after that it will open Trello into your browser. Now you just simply have to log in your account into this page, and after that tap into this drop down. Now you just simply have to tap into this billing payment and pricing option, and after that go to billing payment and pricing section. And after coming into this page, again tap into this drop down into how can we help you, and after that you just simply have to select your account option. Now after selecting your account, you will get to choose a topic. Tap into this cancel cloud subscription option, and then you just simply have to provide the URL, SEN or EN of the invoice number of your subscription. Then after that, sending all those details to the help center. They will help you to cancel the Trello subscription. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.